Journey through the past, present, and future of the moving image with interactive experiences and captivating stories. Welcome to the story of the moving image, the centerpiece exhibition of ACMI in Federation Square in Melbourne, Australia. Featuring playable video games, movie sets, iconic costumes, and props, this interactive free exhibition travels across time and cultures to explore the screen-based art, film, TV, and video games that changed the world. Five distinct sections frame the major moments in moving image history, including the origins and future of cinema, production design and the creative process, Australian culture and stories, the rise of video games, and how screens inform, influence, and empower us. These stages come to life through interactive experiences that let you animate shadows, craft optical toys, experiment with time, assemble film scenes, and create soundscapes in a custom Foley studio. These moments can be collected with the lens, a free tool that collects your favorite objects, artworks, and creations in the exhibition. It also animates the constellation, connecting what you collected to the cosmos of screen content outside ACMI. Gallery 1 ground floor, ACMI Fed Square. Open daily 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Free entry. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.